Okay, this is my version of an ant-proof bee stand. I made the frame out of 4x4s, 12 foot long, and I spaced the 1-inch threaded rod a foot from each end and centered the middle one. The PVC pipe is 2.5-inch diameter PVC pipe, 2 foot long. I drilled the ground with an auger and placed the threaded rod on the inside of the PVC pipe. The PVC pipe is cemented around the outside, and there is cement on the inside of the PVC pipe holding the threaded rod. I did not fill the cement all the way to the top of the PVC pipe on the inside. I left it about 3 inches below the top so I can fill that cavity with cooking oil or mineral oil. This way, when the ants crawl up the PVC pipe, get into cooking oil, they cannot reach the threaded rod to crawl up onto the hive. As you can see, I spaced my rails far enough apart to where I can use that as a frame rest. That way I don't have to put my frames on the ground, lean them up against the hive, possibly knock them off, or if they're on the ground, step on them. I drilled these holes with an 1.5-inch Forstner bit and countersunk them. Just put a little bracing in the middle, 2 braces in the middle, just to keep them from possibly bowing. Hold it all together. The funnels is going to act as a rain shield to keep any rain out from washing the cooking oil out of the PVC pipe. I also have this hive stand at 18 inches above the ground with a 1/2-inch tilt to the front so that rain will not be allowed to run back into the hives. I hope that gives you all some ideas.